Hi Vogue, I'm Hailey Prat. Welcome to Model 101, where Vogue takes you through iconic beauty looks step by step. Today we're going to do Model Off Duty, which is the perfect look. It looks good on everyone and it's all about highlighting natural beauty. So let's get to it. So the important part for me for an off-duty model look is skincare. Skin is everything. I feel like if the base is good, you can kind of get away with everything. I love Korean skincare. I grabbed this snail mucin, couple pumps, doesn't really matter. I'm usually in a rush in the morning, off to a casting somewhere important, and I don't have a lot of time. I mix it with some vitamin C serum, give it a good mixy mix, and I rub it all over my face. It's really glowy and hydrating. And always take it down to your décolletage. I heard someone say that the way you can tell someone's age is by their neck and décolletage, so hot tip. Next, I have a look at my brows. I'm loving the skinny brow. I usually use a microblade and I just like trim up any rogue hairs. Once all of my skincare is on, I get my favorite tool, my best friend. It's the New Face. I turn it on to the strongest setting and I use this. It goes for 5 minutes, but I'm not going to bore you guys to hang out with me for 5 minutes, so I will see you once this is done. Next, I absolutely love wearing sunscreen. Not only for the incredible benefit, make sure it's high SPF, but it also just makes your skin look like a glazed donut, which we love. I usually take, I think you're supposed to do like a teaspoon amount. I just kind of do 2 swipes and it's good enough for me. And I just love the glow that it gives. The next step of this off-duty makeup look is a little skin tint. I think it just keeps it really natural. You're just evening the skin tone and still really highlighting your natural imperfections. I mix 2 colors together just to get the perfect shade. And I'm gonna take this Chanel buffing brush as well, and I'm just gonna mix it in my palm. I feel like it's always easy to mix it in your hand first and then blend it on the face, just so you get the most natural effect. Always blend it into your ears, behind your ear, down your chin, nose, eyes, forehead. I mean the glow. Next, one of my key makeup products for off-duty model makeup is blush. So I just take whatever brush again, and I heard that you put it on like the high points of where the sun would hit your face, so I kind of just do that. I also add a little bit on my nose, just the top. Take it on my lips, take it on my eyes. Oh, I sung that. And I blend it on my forehead as well. When you add the color everywhere, it looks like everything's blended and matches and is really seamless, flawless, and you just want to look like the best version of yourself that got 8 hours of sleep, even if you did not, which I did not. Another step that I love, which is all about the off-duty makeup, no makeup is accentuating your natural beauty. So I love using a little freckle pen and just going over any beauty spots that I have. Also, if you have any breakouts, pimples, it's now a beauty spot, it is not a pimple. Next is one of my all-time favorite products. It is lip oil. It not only looks good, but it feels good, which is what we're all about. I like to focus it kind of on the high points so that it hits the light perfectly. Super nourishing, and you can eat and it doesn't go everywhere. It doesn't feel sticky and annoying. Next, I have this Dewy Barrier Hydrating Stick, which we love. Again, this makeup is the skincare. You can put this stick anywhere. I like to put it on my brow bone for a bit of highlight. You can put it on your high points of your cheeks as well, just for extra glow. You can never have enough. You can also put it like on your hands if they're a bit dry. Put it on your neck, your décolletage, just massage it all in. Before we rush out the door, because I'm very late and always late, I use a little skin snack that I just shake. It's a mix of oils and hyaluronic acids, and you spritz it on your face and you're ready to go. This is the final look for Model Off Duty. I hope you love it. I usually do a little messy bun situation. I'll show you how I do it. I grab my hair, just kind of so that it pulls so we look a bit snatched. The messier, the better. Pull it tight, grab a hair tie, loop it over, twist it, pull it to lock it in place, pull all the bits out, pull it all bits out here. And there we have it, the model off-duty look. I hope you love it as much as I do.